This is Cheryl's live.
I pop up
It came up. It popped up. It says Cheryl's live.
notification.
Yeah.
I'm alright, I'm alright, I'm alright, I'm alright.
Look.
Oh my god. No, you need to be. No, no need to. No need. Just
I was just going to say hello.
yeah. No need.
Let me turn this off. Or do you want
You just tonight. Just Hi, Sir Fred. Good afternoon. Hi, Sir Fred.
It says, where's your hubby?
Hi. Hello, sana all. He should be dancing with you. Okay, later. Sana all is good. The chocolate is muted. It's melted. The chocolate is coming soon. The chocolate is coming. Sana. My cousin. Thank you, Sir Fred. What you were under? You don't have a brain. That's why you need to asking why I wear under the shirt. You don't have a common sense. How are you? My name is Jella. I'm fine, thank you. Hello, beautiful love from USA. Thank you, Sir Jeff, Kid, Shikiret, Shikiret. What's that's what you wear, Zaza. Thank you so much. Do you know how to twerk? So I know how to twerk. But if you want me to twerk, you need $1,000. I twerk. Ask my managing moderator, Sir Fred, if I twerk. If you don't like me to twerk, I don't twerk. She's not working for you, I ban. 360 mo yung mukha mo. Follow. I'm moving to Philippines soon. Are you single? I'm not single. Oh my. Thank you, 74 people in the house. People, I have people. You need to send me on PayPal from my bio, then send it. The chocolate is melted, not melted. We have a fridge here. I would like to. Oh my God, no! Yeah, she has people in description. Fred, hello everyone. Hi Ryan Henry. Greetings from Comor, Doro, Rivadavia, Chubat, Argentina. Hi, Benjamin Montero. Beautiful. Thank you so much. Hello, wait. Thank you, Sir Fred. Hello, everyone. Shout out from Erosin. My cousin, shout out from Erosin. Alright, I'm alright. Thank you, pa. Oh my God, karating lang. Namasyal kami sa, farm plate. I like your lips. Thank you so much. Yusheta, hello. Patrick Mikhail. Wow, you look really guilty now. Really? Food, please. I'm alright. Chibigalte, yes. Mikael. Hi, Mikael. Henry. Thank you, 97 people in the house. Thank you so much. Nice ring. It's blinding me. Thank you for the engagement ring. Beautiful. I'm engaged. Finally. Finally, I'm engaged na. Oh, come here. Oh, come here. Watching. The like button. Thank you, Sir Fred. 78 people, only 18 likes. Your connection on and off, Cheryl. Yes, Paul. My God. My connection on and off. Hi, Sir Bell. Hello, Mar. Hello, May. May, yes. May, Sir Fred, May is, she's my cousin. Dance right there. You hold the bed. Hello, Sir Fred from May. Thank you, Sir Fred. How you doing? Just come back here from going outside, from outside, having fun. Yes, Sir Bell. She eating a lot. Win, yeah. I'm eating a lot. I'm eating again, and I'm eating again. Who wants to join? 55 people. 55 people in the house. I'm happy for you. Thank you, Sir Bell. Have Mike dance with you? Yes. Hi, hello. How are you, sister? I'm fine. Bal, hey, bal, hi. I know would love to join Salvatore Club. She has someone who Yes, I'm engaged. I'm yabang. Ang yabang ko. Yabang means like what do you call it? Ang yabang like that's good. That good attitude like someone mayabang think she better than others, she rich than others, something like that. That's why when I get a rich something, I mayabang. Hi, hello, beautiful. Hi, Sir Bell. Thank you, Sir Bell. Thank you, Sir Bell. Mike, get your eyes up and say hello. Sir Fred, say. Hmm? Come in. Hi, Sir Fred. Sir Fred, the body man. I'm up with it. We over. Wait, I didn't read, but we need to. It's okay. For now on, we don't have to care about that. Just know what. Maybe they talking. Maybe they commented that, but we ignored it because we. Maybe it's okay. I can do this. Glory because no secrets. Well, looks us together yet. Big Lon, thank you, Big Lon. Yes, big sense. 23rd, yes. Sana, sweet Sana. Leo. About damn time, yes. About damn time. Everyone, everyone wants to see, yes. Everyone wants to see. Yeah. About damn time. Yes, she happy big, yes. I want one. Okay, you need to find one for you. And nice rub on her. Thank you, Big Lan. Hi, Victor Santos from Brazil. Victor from Brazil. Glory. I forgot do you have a sister? No, I don't have a sister. My sisters already get married. Everyone like and subscribe. Thank you, Sir Fred. Glorian. They are is good,
Yes.
but
Say Fred is a good video or is it blurry?
everyone dance for Mama, my son.
Where?
He asking me if when I'm going to going back home.
Friday.
Friday. She has people in super chat. And and what? Gab! Friday mauli si Mama. May honor ako. Yeah! Proud of you, Gab. I'm so proud of you, Gab, my Gab. Cheryl's people. Thank you. Top 4! Yes! Top 4 si Gab. Thank you, Gab. I'm so proud of you, Gab. What do you want?
Gab.
Yeah. iPhone 17 Pro Max.
It starts out big.
Oh. Sir Fred, my son is channel. Sir Fred, my Gab channel name. My my nephew, he using nephew account. Please.
That's yes for the phone.
Ay, grabe ka naman, anak. Please. Oh, wait.
What is it? Just cash.
Yeah, my goodness. Just cash yan. That's my bad.
So,
Pakash, ano ko na kay... Malapit na ako mauwi. Friday na lang. Just cash it. Oh my God, that's my son.
that's your son?
Yeah. Just go away. So what do you want? What do you want? I want Mama, si Babang, Grandma, si Ashley said McDonald's. Yes! McDo! Jollibee! Kumusta si Babang? Biyaba pa sa lubang. I need to end the live because my son. I need cash to